Good morning, everyone. Today we're back with Ginger over at Ginger's Corner, and we are doing, I keep forgetting how to say what we're doing. We are putting pictures to that base pages that we made. So anyhow, down below will be a link that takes you over to everybody else that's doing them, and there's one great big list. And so anyway, today I'm doing the boy twin, Aiden. I did his sister yesterday, which was just this picture, and I thought about making this one bigger and just doing that one, but I love how they're holding hands here, and I want that to be in his too. So I thought that was super cute. And this was a picture that their mom took of them before they went to preschool that day. And this is another one of those that I made out of branding strips and scraps. And I'm gonna shoot for the middle. Actually, I gotta do this because otherwise I just can't do the math. Okay. So it might be, it's a little bigger than a 12. I might have to trim it down to get it into the album. Okay, but I'll cross that bridge when I come to it. Okay. Okay, I think that's good there. I might have it up a lot further than what I planned on, but I think I can get everything to fit. Now maybe I should pull it down a hair. You know how I'm always moving things. We'll see if I can do that or if it's pulling up the paper. Let's see. You know when everything's taped down or glued down. Oh, did well. Okay, did I get it any lower? Maybe not. Okay, I'm gonna go maybe about there. Okay, I think that's good there. Now I did hers with just flowers. I'm gonna be mixing it up a little. And I'm gonna put the title down here. So I just wanted to go over this with you, but now I'm gonna put the title down, and I'm gonna call his Preschool Bound also. I'm just gonna be using these other letters. And hopefully they'll still show up on that black. Oh yeah, they still do. So I'm gonna get that put down and I'll be right back. Okay, I've got the title on. I just love this paper. It was so much fun making it and having it turn out so good. I know I did do one that's like, I didn't even like it when I was finished, but that was a red one with squares and I didn't like that. Okay, I've got this, like I told you, I've been going through my little color boxes, which I usually ignore, and this one is blue, or dark blue. I actually have a light blue one. And I've got this little paper clip with denim on it, and it's kind of got like a little pointy end on it. I don't know if you can see that good. But I'm gonna put the small side on the picture just because otherwise it's too much into the picture. Okay, and I'll put like a one of those glue dots behind there. Okay, and then I have this is from the Echo Park little boy thing. I forget what it was called. I think Dream Little Boy or something. And I'm gonna use these little clouds, some of the little clouds. I love the little airplane, and in Aiden's room he had a little airplane hanging from a ceiling, so it's perfect. And then I have a little sun, and I'm going to put that like over the cloud. And then I have another cloud that says cool. I'm going to overlap that one. And then I have another one that's just kind of it's got like a little chevron running through it. And I'm going to put that one over here. Now when I did this, I knew I wasn't going to have enough blues, so that's why I mixed the grays with it, and I really like it. Okay, and then I have the little airplane, and I'm going to put that, I got to kind of figure out where I'm putting it. I don't want to cover this up because I really love it, and I've already covered up part of it, and then I have a little bit down here. So maybe about here, and I'm going to let it go over the picture just a tiny bit. Okay, and then Carolyn from Scrapping with a Twist, she made this for one of the swaps. I don't remember what it was for, but I'm going to use this little guy because he's so adorable. I seen her make them. Okay, and I'm going to put him, I don't want to cover up Aiden too much, so probably about right here, or I kind of like to be maybe down just a little bit lower like that. And then I have, I've got this little denim pocket that I actually just cut out of denim, and got a little fuzz on it. And so I'm going to use that. And I just drew around it with, I think, a Creative Memories pen. You can kind of see, like, so it looks like little stitches. And I'm just going to put glue around the edging so I can stick something in the pocket. And I'm just going to overlap the picture slightly. And then I have this little bandana paper, and I know it's from Creative Memories. It was one of my favorites. And I'm kind of tip it. And I'm just going to hold it for a minute, and it'll still pop up some. Okay, and then I have these little buttons, and this one here says UW School, so I'm thinking it's University of Wisconsin. And I thought it would be cute since it was, you know, a preschool. And their mom's from Wisconsin. Because I'm from Wisconsin. And then I'm going to put one of the little buttons up here. And then I have another one that I'm going to put right next to it. Oh, which way do I want it to go? Oh, it says something too, but you know what? It's pretty tiny. I don't think I can make it out. It's pretty tiny and pretty shiny. I can't make out what it says. Okay. And then I have some enamel dots, and I was trying to decide between gray and tan, and the hubby picked out gray. He said that's what he liked the best, so that's what I'm going to use. So I think I'm going to put a little cluster here that makes 3 with the button. And maybe I'll make a little, I'll just add 1 to this little cluster of buttons. Oh, that looks like it needs a bigger one. That's something I don't usually say. I like the smaller ones usually better, but it does look like it needs a bigger one. Okay, yeah, I like that better. And maybe I will put, I think I'm going to put a couple right behind the the airplane, so it kind of looks like it's, you know, shooting out little smoke. Okay, I think that should do it. So that's it for today. Remember, I got that link down below. I have to say that I forgot to put the link down below until I think yesterday. So if you were looking for it, I just had totally forgot it. So thank you for joining me. I will have close-ups at the end, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.